Hi everyone, welcome to World Literature. This video is designed to help you gain an understanding of the course and what to expect this semester, as well as learn how to best navigate our course in Canvas. This video will give you the nitty-gritty of course structure and content, but more detailed information about these things can be found in the course syllabus, and I'll show you how to find that in a few minutes. World literature is organized thematically so that we can cover as much as we can as deeply as we can. Over the course of the semester, you'll read 5 novels, which will serve as the anchors for each unit. You will also encounter supplemental readings and media to enhance your experience in each unit. We'll start in India, and we'll read Behind the Beautiful Forevers by Catherine Boo. Next, we'll travel to Zimbabwe and read Zenzili, A Letter for My Daughter by J. Nozipo Marer. We'll head over to Cambodia and read Never Fall Down by Patricia McCormick. And our last unit will include 2 books, the first being Prayers for the Stolen by Jennifer Clement, set in Mexico, and we'll also listen to the audiobook for one of Patricia McCormick's other books, Sold, set in Nepal and India. The first thing most students need to get used to in World Lit is the pace of the class. Unless you've taken Modern Lit, this fast-paced style could be new to you. World Lit readers encounter an average of 30 pages per night during the reading window, and typically it takes us 2 school weeks to read each book. During that window, you will also be working on a mini project, which you'll present either during or after the window. The week after the reading window, you'll participate in Socratic Seminar and take a unit test. This predictable structure allows students to focus on reading the books themselves and on important assessments like the mini projects, Socratic seminars, and unit tests. The English department is operating on a weighted grade system as of this year, and in World Lit, this will be divided into formative assessments worth 40% and summative assessments worth 60%. Formative assessments include your mini projects and weekly discussions in Canvas, and summative assessments include Socratic seminars and unit tests. The final exam package is worth 15% and includes a Socratic seminar, lit terms final test, and final reflection. All materials and activities for this semester, except for the books themselves, will be located in Canvas. So let's take a look at how you'll use Canvas for this class. When you open our Canvas course, you will always see the modules for the course. Modules will be unlocked as we need them, and once they're unlocked, they will remain accessible to you for the remainder of the semester. Currently, you are only able to access the General Information module, but the module for our first book, Behind the Beautiful Forevers by Catherine Boo, will unlock tomorrow, January 30th at 7:30 a.m. You have a few navigation options at the left of your screen. You have Home, Syllabus, and Discussions. I'll open up other navigation options to you as needed. When you click on Home, you'll always be taken back to this screen with our modules. And you can access our course syllabus at any time by clicking Syllabus. Basic course information is included in this video, but I do recommend reading the syllabus for a more comprehensive look at the course. The Discussions tab houses all of your weekly discussions and any other discussions that are part of the course. Any discussion you need to complete during that week will be pinned at the top of the page. For example, your first discussion on the TED Talk we viewed in class today is currently pinned. At the end of each week, you'll be asked to reflect on that week's content and activities and engage in digital conversation with your classmates. These discussions can be found here as well. So I'm going to exit Student View right now so that you can see everything you need to see. And let's head back to our home page with our modules. Under Course Orientation in the General Information module, you'll see the items you're going to need to be ready for class tomorrow. First, you'll see the course orientation video, which you're currently watching, and you'll see the discussion you need to complete for class tomorrow. Remember, I also recommend reading the course syllabus, which can be found over here in the syllabus tab. Next, you'll see some resources that you'll need throughout the semester. The daily slides contain everything you will see on the screen during class. The daily agenda and homework document is a rolling agenda, which means that the most current date will be at the top of the document so that you don't have to scroll forever to see what you need to see. The current date will be highlighted in teal as sometimes I like to give you a glimpse of the whole week, so those dates will be above. In the event that you're absent, please check this document first before asking me what you missed. This semester I also plan to make use of the Canvas calendar for a more at a glance view of our semester. So this is what that looks like. You can see I have everything in here for the entire semester. I will keep both this calendar and the rolling agenda updated so that you can always rely on either of these pieces for your course information. The Canvas calendar is new to me this semester, so I welcome any feedback that you have for me on which you feel is the most helpful tool. So next in the module, you'll see the extra credit opportunity that you have available to you in this class, and we'll talk about that later, but you're welcome to take a look at it before then. And lastly, you'll see the information for the literary and critical terms. As outlined in the syllabus, you need to learn 100 lit terms for this class, and you have immediate access to the list of terms and definitions, as well as a study Quizlet that has everything in there for you already, so all you need to do is use it. You also see the pretest and midpoint test in there, and that will happen in class, so you don't have to worry about that yet. So virtually all of the work you do in this course will happen in Canvas. This will include discussions, mini projects, Socratic seminar prep, and tests. So it's really important that you become comfortable using the tool. If at any point during the course you have questions, of course, feel free to send me an email or come chat with me in person. So I hope this has given you some insight about World Lit. For tomorrow, be sure to participate in the discussion on the TED Talk we viewed today in class. See you tomorrow!